Welcome to Research Hub.
Stop taking notes the hard way. I found an AI tool that can turn a 50-page PDF into clean, well-organized notes in just seconds. And here's the best part. It's completely free. No more highlighting line by line, no more manual summarizing, no more wasting hours on boring, time-consuming work. Just upload any document or paste your text, and instantly you get beautifully structured notes. Let's jump in and see how it works. So first, let's search for Gemini. Once it opens, you'll see the main interface. From here, we'll upload a file. I have an 11th class chemistry chapter 1 PDF, and we'll simply upload it. Now, along with the file, we'll use a detailed prompt to get the best results. This prompt tells Gemini to convert the uploaded PDF into ultra-realistic handwritten study notes, just like a topper's notebook. For explanations and step-by-step points, we've specified the use of a blue gel pen for headings, chapter names, laws, theorems, and definitions. The rest of the prompt fine-tunes the style, formatting, and overall handwritten look. If you want to use this prompt, I'll put it in the comment section. Once the prompt is ready, go to the Tools section and select the Canvas option. After that, simply click Submit. Gemini will then start analyzing both the prompt and the uploaded PDF. Once the analysis is complete, it begins generating the code. On the right-hand side, you'll see the code being written, and on the left-hand side, you can watch the handwritten style notes being generated in real time. This process may take a little time because the prompt is very detailed, but trust me, the results are absolutely worth the wait. And once the generation is complete, you can see that Gemini has successfully converted our PDF into handwritten style notes. The titles and main headings are written with a red pen, while the explanations and step-by-step points use a blue gel pen. Important lines are highlighted with a yellow highlighter, exactly as specified in the prompt. You'll also notice that diagrams are included, and from any angle, these notes don't look computer generated at all. They genuinely feel like real handwritten notes. Now, if you want to save these notes to your computer, here's a simple workaround since there's no direct download option. Go to the Code section and open the generated code. Copy the entire code, then open Notepad, paste it there, and save the file as an HTML file. Once saved, open the file, and as you can see, the notes look exactly the same as they did inside Gemini. If you want PDF slides made easily, just use this prompt. Convert it into handwritten study notes for Google Slides. The final output should resemble scanned handwritten pages, making it perfect for revision and exams. It will convert your content into handwritten style study notes for Google Slides. The final slides will look like scanned handwritten pages, perfect for revision and exams. Google Gemini will create the slides for you, and then you can easily download and edit them however you like. Next, just go to the download option and save it as a PDF file. Open the PDF, and now you can easily edit it as needed. So, what do you think about this tool? It's incredibly useful for students and teachers who want to turn boring PDF notes into engaging handwritten style study material. This technique is truly impressive. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this in the future.